Hi guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my viral dashboard evolution review. So I'm here in the members area. So let me walk you through the demo. Before that, I'm going to give you some special bonuses. So what's viral dashboard evolution? So viral dashboard evolution is your 21 in one-stop dashboard evolution for social media and management. So it's a ultimate content marketing and social media automation platform that simplifies the process of planning, composing, and publishing engaging content to massive traffic management and sales. It's like having 21 tools and one offers tons of valuable features, saves you tons of time and money by having everything under one roof. So here I'm in the members area. Before that, I'm going to walk you take you give you some exclusive bonuses. Let me explain the bonuses I'm going to give you. After that, I'll show you the demo. So the first bonus will be the commission blueprint 2.0. So here you will get the copy and paste of my complete system to bring your affiliate campaigns on steroid and generate non-stop commission starting right now. The main reason behind this growing popularity of affiliate marketing is that the fact that the affiliate marketing is the thought to be some kind of business in which you don't need to do anything and you can earn huge amounts of money overnight. What you need to do is just to place the ads of merchants on your website, and when a visitor clicks on it, you're paid. So literally you don't have to do anything. But are you really sure about that? If you think that you can earn money without doing anything, then please come out of the dreams. There is nothing in the world which can be had for nothing. So you have to put some efforts towards it. So affiliate marketing is the first and foremost form of marketing. And as much such you need to market the product of your merchant. So you do need to do something to make people visit your website and then to induce them to climb on the web affiliate links so that you can earn commissions. So the next will be the action blogging. So action blogging is a video tutorial that will guide you how to create an informative content that may provoke your website visitors to read your blog post from the first word until to the last word of it effectively. So learning the strategies are essential to make your blog post go viral and attract more traffic to your blog. So inside you're about to learn these essential blogs writing techniques that will give you the idea of how to persuade your readers to read stanza after stanza of your blog post. So you're also about to learn the best approach to trigger the emotions of your readers. So next will be the underground traffic. So this is here you're going to learn the underground traffic sources. So if you're a blogger or affiliate marketer or any online business owner, traffic is essential as this is the lifeblood of any type of business you built on the internet. So the thing is that you have seen more articles and videos teaching you the general ways on how can you get traffic to your website, and it's sad part is everybody is doing it. So well, the good is that there are still some traffic generation techniques that usually have been used, and because of this reason you will not be mixed to the crowd. So the next bonus will be the FB monetization strategies. So in this video courses, you're about to learn a method of monetization in a Facebook that you will be able to implement, while at the same time you'll be able to allow it to run without you being present. This means that you once you have automated your traffic, you'll be free to replicate the cycle in multiple niches and will primarily be taking about executing a content membership. So the next will be how to set up the WordPress video series. So let me alone showing customers or friends how to set up WordPress, whether it's explaining the difference between a post and page. So, or that the publish button mysteriously disappears and is called update instead as soon as it's been clicked, or what plugins or which ones to install. So you end up tearing your hair out. So sure, you can get the tutorials on sites like YouTube, but you have to know that what you are looking for and hope that the videos show you something close to the current version of WordPress. not a version or two ago where menus and options were different. Now you can get over 68 minutes of over my shoulder videos that take me through your installing WordPress from start to finish. So first video is going to show you, it consists of 5 videos. The first video will take you through the pre-installation process of choosing your username that isn't a default admin. The video 2 has two versions, one's for installing WordPress using Fantasy and the other using Soft Coolers, the most popular one-click installation routine used by most web hosts. The video 3 shows you the how to update anything that the auto install has missed. Then video 4 will continue with some more settings changes and also about the initial appearance of your new WordPress blog and removing some of the unnecessary widgets that are installed by default. So the video 5 will show you the installation of a 9 plugins that automatically add to every new WordPress plugin. So just click on the any of this yellow button that will take you to the sales page which looks like this, and you can get the product from here. So I'm going to walk you through the members area. So this is how the members area looks like. So you can connect it automatically in many of the social medias. That is what the product is about. So first and they have the brand option. So you click on the manage brand. It's taking a second. uh, all right, so just click on the manage brand. All right, here we have brands, connect, discover, create, post manager, automation, social deck, monitoring and analytics, agency inbox, and template packs. So first you can manage brands here. So just create, if you want to add brands, you can add it and give the brand name, brand flag, and you can choose the time zone and the brand logo, then brand description. Then here you have connect. You have RSS connect feed. First of all, we can connect RSS feeds. Then you can have social media connects. So they have, sorry, they have Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn accounts inside via dashboard. So you can have any. So if you had to add the brand first of all, so I'm adding some of the brand, any of the brand. So the brand name will be Go Medium. I'm choosing the Indian time frame. All right, I'm choosing any of the time zone. Then I'm choosing any of the brand logo. So the brand description will be a blog. Okay, I'm adding this brand. So social media, you can connect any of your Facebook pages, Facebook groups, or Instagram. Just add it here, and you can add any of the Google My Business, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, social media accounts. Then you can connect the e-com connect also. They have Shopify, WooCommerce, then it's then Magneto. Then you can connect your video platform networks like YouTube, then Vimeo, then Motivo, then Daily Motions also. So the Daily Motions is under construction. So as soon they'll bring it as this fast as possible. Then you can connect your blog connect also. So they have Blogger, WordPress, Medium, Reddit, and Tumblr. So you can automatically connect it, and you can also so connect whatever the account you want to, and you can schedule your post or discuss. Then they have discover, so you have content discover. So if you want to choose any of the content, whichever they have content, whichever niche you want, you can search any of the niche, a particular niche, and it will give you the best content around the web. So they have a lot of niches like advertising, copywriting, dating, entrepreneurship, gaming, a lot of niches. So they also have tools. So in which category you want to drop traffic, you can use different Google queries to find thousands of sites to drop your links on and send more traffic to. So they have around 8,782 entries. So you can choose any of the thing from your from here. Then you have, they have free subscription. Then you have your source. Then you can go to the, so you can create the content composer. You can create any of the content. So they have upload images, then upload videos. You can upload any of your images, then upload videos. Then they have libraries, images, videos. They also have chips, memes, and codes also. They have codes also. So you can upload any of that thing. So first you just need to compose it. So first write any of this, like I'm going to give boom, go medium. So this is my post. So you can also short on your link like bit.ly. So just to know how many of you have clicked your account, so you can short on your link. Then I'm going to give you next. So you can select the account. I have not connected any of this account yet, so you have to select any of the account to which you want to connect, like Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter, whatever the account. Then you just need to customize it. So I haven't added any account, so it's not going to the next step. So you can customize it and you can schedule the post whenever you want to. Then you can publish the post. So next will be post manager. Here you have post manager. So then you have source manager. Here source manager appears here. So I haven't connected any of those social media accounts yet. So the connected accounts will be here. My you can also select from, you can select from the WordPress connection type also. So whether whatever the WordPress, you blogs or YouTube, Shopify, more, whatever the connection type I have. Then they have source type also, then source type, group type also. So then you can search it from there, and the searching content will automatically appear. Then they have automation. So you can create automation. So this works with the viral dashboard evolution if commercial. So if only if you purchase from that plan, this works. So the viral automation, nothing but actually, if you want to post it, the created content, like from, if you have created content from your Facebook, but you want to post it on like a YouTube or a Tumblr or blog, you just need to link it and it will automatically post on the updated time and date. You don't need to share, arrange anything or work for that separately. You just need to create an automation, link the website for which you want to connect it, and it will generate. So they have manage automations. So this nothing works only if with the paid plan it works. Then they have social insights. So this is also an upgraded plan. So with social, all right, the social upgrade will be the, they have FB insights, Instagram insights, Twitter insights, and also LinkedIn insights. So it will give you the top liked videos or commented videos or whatever the Twitter insights. LinkedIn Insight, it will all give you the insights of that. Then they have monitoring links. So Facebook Analytics, Instagram Analytics. So it will give you how much traffic you have achieved, how much traffic you have got, how much views you have, and how much likes, and how many tweets or commands or any will all give you the analytics. So first will be the Facebook analytics, then they have Instagram analytics, then the Twitter analytics, then they have LinkedIn analytics, the Google analytics, then they have social analytics, then Twitter motions, the search console. Then they have agency, so you can create new clients or the list client already have the list clients. This also works with upgrade. Then they have inbox, so social inbox. You can directly message it from uh, here also. They have you email connector, so here you can directly message from that. So next will be the template pack. So they have templates and 4-in-1 tools. They also have support tutorials. So you can select a video to play, so for whatever the tool you want to. So I'm going to click on any of the spy tools dashboard, so automatically for the video tutorial for spy tool will play here, so you can watch it here. So this is how the demo works. Then they have compose, then they have mention. I have already given you this. This is how the viral dashboard evolution works, and it's very simple and easy process. And if I have connected the Facebook or Twitter, it would have been easy to for you to understand. So they have demo video here. You can watch it here also. So this is how easy is the viral dashboard evolution. So just create a brand, connect your social media, and you need to compose new content, and you can schedule, draft, and publish your post automatically. So this is how the bonus page looks like. I have given the bonus page link in the description box below. Just click on the bonus page and you can access the bonus page here. So just click on the yellow button, and from there you can purchase the product here, and you'll get all of my bonus instantly. So this says you can drive unlimited free traffic to your e-com stores, video platforms, and blog channels from all social media channels using a single dashboard. So here it says find, create, and share your content for massive traffic, engagement, and sales. And also you can drive unlimited free traffic to your sites, blogs, products, and services. So you can manage your content, go widely viral in just 60 seconds, and it's also 100% beginner friendly with zero coding, design, or technical skills. Built-in library of stunning videos, images, and multimedia assets. And also you need to stop pay monthly fees to automate your social media tags and automatically and grow your business without paid ads. So it works in just simple steps, 3 steps. First one will be the browse and discover. The next one will be the create and customize, and you can schedule. Step 3 will be schedule and publish. So just click on any of this yellow button that will get you the product. So first let me take you to the funnel. So funnel front end funnel price will be personal for the value of $37. The commercial will be $47. So use the coupon be devotional 3 off for first only 7 hours only. So you'll get be devotional 3 off discount for 3 $3 discount. The price goes up for an every hour. So the after 7 hours it's going to go for now $47. So the coupon you need to use that will get you $2 coupon code offer. Next will be the OTO one. It has viral dashboard evolution social automation trigger. While this is the pro will be light will be $47 and the pro will be $67. With this pro features, you'll be able to set and automate your posting to a lot of different channels in just one click, allowing you to save hours of your precious time and grow your content marketing strategy to insane levels. So next will be your viral dashboard goals, social analytics and text. The light will be $47 and the pro will be $67. So with this gold features, you'll be able to dive deep into detail analytics and monitor how your content is performing on different social media networks. So you can also engage your community efficiency with unified deck and social inbox. You'll also be able to stay on top of conversation on high key topics, see who commented, shared, and liked your post, reply to all your messages, track the performance of your post, brand mention, also monitor companies all from one dashboard evaluation. Then will be your OTO3 template clip. So the value is $37. So they are going to give you for $1 trial period only. So this says you'll be able to access hundreds of templates, pre-designed graphics in any niche every month. So you can use to promote the business on social media. Then you have the agency reseller Pro value is $97. Agency reseller Ninja value is $197. Agency reseller Elite will be $397. So you'll be able to create agency license inside in a clients inside VD, manage your social media or resell VD to your own clients. You can also you resell it as your own brand and rebrand it as your own product. So just click on any of this yellow button that will get you the product. So I have given the OTUs what are the specific features you are going to get in this. Then OTU2 what are the pro business you are going to get, and business commercial whatever the thing you are going to get in the and have given it in the detailed view. So go through it. And also, so you need to you the launch period starts on, sorry, the launch period starts on Tuesday on December 28th at 11 a.m. EST time, and it ends on December 30th at 11:59 p.m. EST time. So it's only for 2 days. So grab it as soon as possible without any second thought. So this is how the bonus page, sales page looks like. I'll walk you through the sales page. So just click on the bonus page. I have given the bonus page link in the description box. Click on the bonus page link and click on any of the yellow button in the bonus page, and you can get the sales page. This is how the sales page appears. Click on the green button so you can get the instant access. So they have given some testimonials, then they have some proofs. They have Cristino also. All right, they have given it's a powerful 21 in one jam packed game changing tool. So you can see results in social media, Pinterest, Google. So it works in all the platforms. So it works in just in three simple steps. So who are can be used for, you can, if you are a marketer or business owner or agency or entrepreneurs or social media marketers, brands, startups or e-com sellers, digital product sellers, any of this, and you can use this viral dashboard. So I would personally recommend viral dashboard for you, and it's the best software for social media platforms. So this you can publish in every social media by just posting up, updating in one software. So in viral dashboard, just need to connect your social media, whatever the social media you want to connect it, and you can directly post it. That's just a simple process. It doesn't take any time, but also you can also schedule it. So they have a lot of content also. You can discover content also, the present content also. So this is how the viral dashboard works, and this is wonderful software. I am personally recommending you, and this is only for 2 days launch period. They have only 2 days launch period. So grab the viral source without any second thought. And also the cheap price is very cheap. So along with my bonuses, the vendor is also going to give you some bonuses. The first bonus will be the TikTok marketing bonus. Then the bonus 2 will be the Pinterest traffic automator. The bonus 3 will be Elite Fusion Elite, and bonus 4 will be the FB email collector, and bonus 5 will be the Instagram ads success, and bonus 6 will be the LinkedIn auto post mission multi-account license and white label, and bonus 7 will be viral social sharer and locker, and bonus 8 will be the 300 ready-made logo designs. So whatever the audio you want, just click on that yellow button here, and you can grab the product here. So they're also going to give you 30-day money back guarantee with no question asked. So grab it as soon as possible, purchase from my link so that you can get all of my bonuses along with the vendor bonuses. So this is a very smart tool. The viral dashboard evaluation is a very smart tool. So you can check it every here, and it's a very advanced tool, all in one social media management tool. So get started with viral dashboard as soon as possible without any second. So subscribe for more videos. Like this video if you like the video if you like this. Then share the like, comment, and subscribe this video. So thank you. See you in the next.